All right, sorry about the noise, and welcome back to my channel, where we start a lot of projects and never actually finish any. I just wanted to do a quick update on something that I've been working on. I go out and I kind of prospect for gold and other heavy elements, and I figured it was appropriate, considering where I live and the nature of the gold, that a shaker table was going to be optimal, but shaker tables are expensive. Said, why couldn't I 3D print my own? So that's what you're looking at. A fully 3D printed PVC composite of parts. And this is an extremely rough draft. We have a 1/4 inch of drop per foot across the direction of the water. You can see we have a motor down there. It's oscillating at 300 RPM. And we have a 1 centimeter stroke. And it's actually working quite well. The water is recycling back into this bin. And we have a small hacked collection basin. This is at my actual first run with this basin to see what it is we collect. I've been running this a lot, and you can see it is very successfully separating the heavies from the light material. And yes, it's loud, and yes, it's moving. I'm going to try and capture that there. You can see the heavies are making their way down and into the collection basin. So we'll keep this video short. I just wanted to demonstrate something I'm working on. There's a lot of things that I'm going to improve on this, and any feedback you want to provide is infinitely welcome. Certainly too much water flow coming down over here. Need more over there. Need more water flow over here. It's drying up. Can do a lot better with the collection and isolation there. Probably can do a better stroke. Experiment with that. There's a lot of configurability built into this as well with the height and those sorts of things. You can see I got a piece of plywood kind of offsetting it a little bit. So yeah, this is what I've been working on. There's a few people who wanted to see what I was working on. I just wanted to kind of get this out there and kind of give you an update. I think there's going to be more to come on this and other equipment that I'm working on for the subject, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.